Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial from ATWP, the WordPress hosting you can trust. In this video, we're going to see how can we create emails and manage our emails in cPanel control panel. Well, as you know, cPanel will give you the ability to send and receive emails. Well, for creating accounts, you just need to go to email accounts part in your cPanel. And then, as you can see, I have some emails over here. There are actually 4 or 5 email accounts that I have already created. But then you can create another one like this. My domain is ATWP.dev, and then you can use any username that you want, but you must know that this username must not be used already. So I'm going to create something like, for example, first department, and then I'm going to generate a password for it, which you can see you must record this password for yourself, so next time you would want to log into your account, you use that password. Create your email account, and then as you can see, we have first department at atwp.dev. For getting inside that account, you can check the email, and it's going to log in you to your email account. Click on Open with Roundcube open source webmail software, which I think the best open source webmail software is. As you can see, we've got the first email. For a test email that you can see, it gives you the details of how connecting to this email with another third-party apps. But for default settings, you can just send and receive emails like any other email, like Gmail, Yahoo, or any other emails in the world. This has the same panel that you have an inbox, junk or spam, trash, archives, and drafts. So that's it. That's how can you use cPanel to manage your emails. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye for now.